Come join in the fun, creating your very own health and wellness oasis. In this series, I'm using the wellness principles from the anti-aging Mediterranean diet and French paradox. This all-natural cookie hand pie recipe makes a simple treat for almost any healthy diet. Pasture-raised animal products like grass-fed free-range butter and cream cheese are organic, high in essential fatty acids that support both nerve health and a healthy inflammation response. Natural allulose, fiber-rich almond flour, acacia, and peanut butter support stable blood sugar. This first part is easy to do, using a basic sugar cookie recipe, but substituting table sugar with natural, lower glycemic allulose that can be found in my online store. Conventional flour is replaced with gluten-free almond flour, acacia fiber, and peanut butter, all of which are natural and provide the wonderful flavors of a traditional cookie. As the allulose begins to caramelize the cookies around the edges, remove the cookies from the oven to cool. This creamy, antioxidant-rich cocoa filling transforms the cookies into delightful hand pies with little fuss. The vital nutrients in cocoa powder stay active in this no-bake filling. Coat one cookie with the no-bake filling, creating a hand pie by topping with a second cookie. Pinch the cookie sandwich around the edges to keep the filling inside. Get on board and enjoy the principles of the Mediterranean diet and lifestyle and French paradox with these delightful cookie hand pies. Don't forget you can also freeze them to take them out for your next workout and burn off those calories. Sign up for my Wellevate account today at www.integrativehealthwork.com and get active in your health and wellness today.